Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how to enable split screen on all Android phones. So it's very simple. First you have to open an app. So I'm going to open Messenger or any other apps. So and then tap the refresh screen. Now the second dot you can see the split screen option. Tap on split screen and then now add another app on the bottom of the messenger. So I'm going to add the YouTube app. So okay, here you can see the messenger, and now I'm going to tap YouTube and then go back. Now tap split screen and now play YouTube. So this is how you can do it. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.